Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to replace ink cartridges in an Epson Stylus SX620FW. Now, unlike some printers on the market, you can't just lift the top of the printer and have the cradle slide over. You have to actually let this machine know that you wish to change the ink cartridges. So we need to be on the copy menu of the printer, as shown here. If you're not already there, hit menu and then choose copy. But from here we're going to go down 3 to maintenance and then press OK. Then ink cartridge replacement is again the fourth option. So down 3 times and OK. Now we're safe to lift the lid of the printer. So to get to the cartridges, we need to go lower than the printer scan bed, which is just this top bit. If you go a little bit lower, there's like a recess here on both sides. Put your finger in there, come up. And once that's up, your printer realizes and shifts the cradle along to there. So to get into the cartridges, you just press down on this bit at the top, fold them back. You see the inks are all lined up there. So choose whichever cartridge it is you need to replace, go in there, and there's a clip towards the back, press that down. Comes out pretty easy. Get yourself another cartridge. This is the same one, but if you've got a new one, just make sure you pulled off any pull tabs or any protective packaging that the manufacturer's got on there. You don't need to worry about the seal on the bottom. That pierces as it goes into the printer. So we slide it back into position, it goes down, some will click, like that. And once it's flush with the other cartridges, you know you've got it in enough. Now we can close the lid and lower down the top of the printer scanner bed. We'll put that down. And if we go back to the screen, you can see your printer's checking the ink cartridges, making sure it's completely happy with them. Where it says it's charging ink, it's pulling fresh ink from the cartridge, getting it to the print head, making sure it can deliver a nice even print for you. And in just a minute, you've hopefully got the very same message, ink cartridge replacement complete, and you're able to carry on printing as normal. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, please do let us know down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.